All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. I had a bad day today. Unfortunately, it was a very, very bad loss on Tesla. I took a little bit big size and really bad trade on that.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
And yeah, so that was pretty much two trades on Tesla. One of them was okay, and then the other one was a really, really bad loss. And I'll just ended up my day like this. I just didn't feel good today, and for some reason I had some headache. Didn't sleep properly last night, and it turned out to be a really bad day. So Tesla at the open was very, very strong. So it was a really nice 1 minute opening range breakup. Very nice 1 minute opening range breakup. Really squeezed up at the open. A lot of people and them on the community got this trade for a long. I unfortunately didn't get it right on time. I kind of chased it here at around 271.50, popped up, I sold everything, came down, did a really nice ABCD pattern, essentially a very nice 5 minute opening range breakup all the way up to 275. This is a really, really nice move, unfortunately. And I just didn't really capitalize on that very much. So again, this is a 5 minute opening range breakup, very nice. And that was a very, very nice trade, unfortunately, that I didn't take capitalize on that. For some reason, again, I chased it. And again, I wasn't really, the decision making was really not great, and really got out of it too early. However, Tesla sold off and really came below the VWAP, and then suddenly squeezed above the VWAP with volume. Really squeezed above the VWAP with volume, and I really thought that okay, this is gonna go back up to 274 and 275 for the high of the day. So I went long, kind of heavy size, because I was really desperate that I'm not really taking any trade for half an hour. And what I saw here was just for a few minutes I had the chance to get out of it. Really this kind of moves, you want to get the continuation really fast, and then suddenly drop 2 points on me, and I got stopped out. And I had about 5,000 shares, which is a lot on this. So yeah, and after that, really I didn't trade it anymore. It went sold off all the way down. I wanted to take a previous day close bounce, really never touched to the previous day close, and I wanted to really get a bounce from here. Never really get that. Jared took this trade and really bounced back. And after that I really never touched it anymore. So it's just at the end of the day, really it's not a time to want to get back for the break of high of the day. AMD was nice. We had really good trading. Like AMD was really nice breaks all the way up to 108. And Amazon was also really nice. I was trading very nice today, Amazon. Again for the break of high of the day, it was amazing both at the open. So look at the here, huge volume, and then really going up. Paris in the community, we had so many amazing trading days in the community. Like even though I had a really bad loss, Paris was a really nice short up there, the rejection of R4. He did a recap in the community, obviously covered all of his position, and then on this bounce back he added short. Exactly the time that I went long, he went short, and he really capitalized on this move, added back on this pullback, and then he got stopped out. So as you see, two traders really can trade something, one stock, but trade completely different, and it's just getting different results. And that was a really nice trade on Amazon, Tesla by Paris. He did really nice Amazon trade again. I should have taken that trade as well. Amazon really went up for the break of high of the day. As you see here, went long and partialed out, and pullback is adding, and really finally exit on that. So he had a really nice trading day here on Amazon. And we had also Moderna. So he went up for long for opening range breakup, got out, and then stopped out. So his Moderna trade wasn't really that great. So as you see, traders trade differently. Even though today was a really weird day for me, what I noticed here that there was a lot of traders actually made really good money. So like this is at zero trade, 1300 trade on Tesla. It was pretty good. Had a small loss on short, and then he made a really nice trade on Tesla. And we had really good trading September Francisco. He had always green thanks to the rising level, the opening range breakout. So as you see, he's sharing actually his P&L on Twitter. And then we had also a chat room that again thanks Jared, great call out Tesla. So when the Jared took this reversal on Tesla, he really had a very nice trade here. And as you see, again, it was a bad trade with me. David says my first $1,000 day. Thanks, Apple. So as you see, sometimes two traders have a bad day, but a lot of other traders are getting really, really nice moves. So today was a bad day for me, plus I wasn't really mentally in a good mood, and I really didn't trade well, and I specifically went back, took a nap. I just didn't want to continue taking bad trades. Alright guys, well that was a really good trading day. Again, SPY had a really nice move up and down. The volatility on SPY was very nice, came out, bounced back, came down and bounced back, and same as QQQ. So QQQ also really came down and bounced back, almost around the same time, and now Qs are the high of the day. SPY might also continue going high. And so that's one thing. One announcement that I want to make, guys, is that my book is free on Amazon. For those of you who are interested, they're free. It's the last day, and then if you are interested, just go download your copy on Amazon.com. If anyone is interested on that. Perfect, guys. Thank you so much. Sorry about bad trading day today, and I hope that tomorrow is going to be a better day. All the best.